Scotty Pippen Jr. lofted it up for Jay Huff and a foul with a flat.
No air underneath it.
Nice pass. Yes, great feed by Pippen to Christie. Also on the floor for the first time in a Warriors uniform this classic, Dustin Sleva, former D2 player out of Shippensburg, is Scotty Pippen Jr. 4-second difference. And Jay Huff will take an open three and bury it.
And a nice push by
the whistle there. A nice bounce pass. Pippen has dimed a couple people up today.
Yeah, your lucky mom's here. As soon as she goes back indoors, I'm smacking that bleep out of here.
And I'm taking you into the post. Back is gotten up to 17. Christie on the baseline runner. Pippen.
Nice shot.
Nicely hits it back. Lost it. Here's Pippen with one defender to beat. And he lays it in.
Yeah, it's a little sloppy with.
In 6 minutes to go. Pippen on the baseline drive, feeds the cutting. Kalea Jones throwing it down over Mawugbe. Pippen to the hole.